One of the challenges with designing underwater robots and submersible vehicles is to keep the water and the debris out of the actuators. Traditionally, thrusters and motors have been either sealed off from the environment through dynamic seals such as shaft seals, or just completely exposed to the environment and run in the water. Both of these have some severe disadvantages with the overall reliability of the product. Specifically, when exposed to the environment, debris and exposure to water can seize the motors or cause rusting to occur. Alternatively, with shaft seals and dynamic seals of other sorts, this is just another failure point for the vehicle and can really impact the ability for our customers to get their jobs done. Magnetic couplings offer a great alternative to traditional means of sealing actuators underwater. They actually provide a completely sealed off interface between the drive motor and the actuator, such as a wheel or a thruster. This complete contactless transfer of torque offers an excellent method for high reliability of products with very few compromise. How these magnetic couplings are actually implemented is there's a series of magnets on the drive side, so where the motors are, and there's a completely sealed off membrane, typically of plastic. On the drive side, where there's a wheel or a thruster in our vehicles, there's another series of magnets. This offers a completely contactless transfer of torque, offering a highly reliable and robust solution for our products and ultimately a much more reliable product to our customers. Our products are designed to last and be functional for our customers throughout their lifetime. Magnetic couplings offer just one fewer points of failure to our products and offer that high certainty of reliability and confidence for our customers to get the job done.